Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now guys, today is my husband and our anniversary, so I am doing a little shopping, but I did the shopping, but I ain't come back on here to show you guys what I got, so I'm sorry. So I ended up getting him this bear. I ended up making him a gift basket. It have body wash, 2 body washes. These are one of his favorite chips. My husband loves chips. He loves Reese's too, so I got the chocolate kind, and then he loves white chocolate, so I got the white kind. And he loves marshmallows. He loves gummy bears. Anything that's gummy, he loves it. He loves trying different stuff. So it really doesn't matter what you get. He loves it. And then I got him 2 cards because I couldn't decide it. The first one says, still doing, always will. And the second card let's see. It says, to my husband, being with you, that was real and important in this world. And then, and hot chocolate. But I see you guys. I'm gonna fix it up in the car. If I don't get back on here, that's why I was showing you guys. But stay tuned for another clip. Hey guys, I am back. I know you guys couldn't really see as much when I was in a shopping. So right now I'm about to get ready to set this basket up because we're on our way to after I set this up, then I head to the house. So I get it to my husband. It is our 1-year anniversary, yeah. So you guys see I have the basket. Excuse how I look, yeah. I just gotta work. So, but you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Let me do these cards. Like, I know you guys couldn't see it, but I'm gonna show you and stuff. But y'all just see me set the basket up. But these are the cards. And then this one too. Let me turn this heat out, baby. It's hot in here. Kind of misty outside. I'm so glad we got 2 more days before we be at work. Pretty much we didn't do a lot today because we both had to work, but we got stuff planned. So yeah, all about what you're trying to do. Something simple because I like this a certain way. But I got him 2 of these bags that you can see. I'm just showing you guys. First off, I got the I need to put the foundation down first. I got some straight decoration. Oh. Put that in here. This is his favorite color. They throw it in there. So I'm gonna put it in there. Why do it feel so rough? Let me lock my nose. Alright. Now I can set it up. Cause how I want to put the bear. He don't know I'm doing this, but I'm put the bear Jesus. Put the bear in between it so it can have a lot of snacks around it. Y'all will see, I'm gonna show you guys. But I'm put a bear in between it. It feels so good. Maybe my bear. Yeah, I'm stuffing it. Yeah, I would start buying you can print from me. I got you. I can make it for your You're a special person. My husband love when I make these, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. He love when I make these. I made him one, I think when he was, I want to say AIT. No, I made one for his birthday too. I always make these, so there's nothing much. I'm trying to make sure I got everything out. And then that way, I can show you guys. Show you guys after the mail. Let's see. Oh, I forgot about his body wash. I'm sorry. Alright. And then I can be able to show you guys. The muscle like this. I want them to change shit like this. They're gonna be a stuffed one. Okay. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna come back so I can show you how I did the basket. Hey guys, this is the basket I did. As you guys see it, I got the 2 cards so he could be able to see it. Look at it. That is amazing. Excuse the background because those are also other bags that I also purchased behind the scene, like water and other stuff that we might need, that we will be needing. But yes, good.
Don't know when my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is karma, definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my basic feeling. 1 minute I'm calling, then the next I'm tripping. No, there's somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind, she's still on my mind. Do we build it up, just to let it wash away? Tell me, did I lace you up, lace you up?
Hey guys, I am back right now, guys. I'm not feeling my best, so I'll pop on here. When you guys see my hair like this, I'm about to do it. So right now we're about to get ready to head to the hair store. I'm about to get some, I'm gonna try to find some crochets. So I'm doing some crochets before our vacation trip. So for our vacation, that's what we're about to do. So right now, guys, I'm sorry guys, maybe the next clip I start feeling a little better, but as you guys know, like, we out for Christmas break that Friday, pretty much one of my little students or kids and stuff, they were just going through a lot, and I got sick. I have got sick as a dog. My husband also gave me some medicine, so it was him that was sick for like about 2 or 3 weeks, and now it's me. But we're not speaking no sickness. I'm about to get through it, guys, and I'll see you guys in the clip. I'm sorry about me looking a little rough, but I'm still cute. That's one thing about it. I'm still pretty. Still pretty. But alright guys, let me go head to the hair store now. Hey guys, this is my hair. This is how I did it. I did it just like this. It's cute, ain't it? I just want to come back on here and show you guys my hair. But it turned out so nice. So guys, stay tuned for my next vlog, because it's gonna be special. So, and you know why I did my own hair. I did this. I know yesterday I got on here because I was showing you guys that I went to the hair store and I wasn't feeling my best, so I was just coming back on and show you guys how I did my hair for our vacation. And yeah, so I want to do some slight work, and yeah, I did my own hair. So Right now I am getting ready for church. We got church in the morning, this morning. I'm getting ready for church, and then after a while I'm about to get ready to cook breakfast for us. So if I don't get back on here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another clip. I know this video may be short, but guys, it'll be worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this vlog right here, get this vlog out, and I might include packing with me in this vlog too. Yeah, I might do pack with me in this vlog, and then the next vlog that you guys will see, it'll probably be our vacation. So y'all stay tuned, or I might put another vlog, but you guys eventually get the vacation vlog too. So I just want to come here and show you guys how I look. That girl look cute. I did my own lashes, my own hair, my own edges, and I don't wear my red hair, but I did this because when you're on vacation you don't want to feel like you keep styling your red hair, so I just did this, some slight work. But yes guys, it's the hair, so cute. I'm so excited. I am feeling better than what I was, so I've been taking Benadryl, and then my husband gave me some Thermoflu pills, so yeah. I hope I said it correctly, but anyway. But yeah. So I'm just admiring myself, like, feeling down, guys. What's up? You're cute. Love on you. Love on you. So right now, guys, I'm about to get ready to brush my teeth and all that good stuff. So see you guys in another clip. Hey guys, as you guys seen, right now I just got on these lunch wear outfit, and then after I get done cooking, eating stuff, then I will put on my church clothes. So pretty much I was thinking about wearing like a skirt, like it's long over your knee skirt, and probably a shirt. Well, most likely it'll be a shirt. So right now guys, I'm about to get ready to start cooking breakfast, all that good stuff. I cook breakfast, and then as I'm cooking breakfast, I also go ahead and wash these few dishes as well. So I'm gonna cook all that good stuff at the same time.
baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma act you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma act you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call you no hoe. I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see right through my love. Hey, I see your waist shrunk, my love. Hey, you got some bass in the trunk, my love. Damn, how many hoes in this club? Is it really just me, my love? You know my dad little pimpin' for real. You ever been down to Memphis, Tennessee, my love? I ain't saying I agree, my love. I'm just telling you the things that I see, my love. I got drinks, jokes, sex, and cash. Those are 4 things I can guarantee, my love. Hey, baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma act you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the crowd, show the whole world. Oh yeah, is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma act you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong.